Yeah, hi. We are from SVSEMBEDDED. The project title name is Smart Trolley with Auto Billing and Addition Subtraction of Items. So in this project, we are using an Arduino Uno R3 EM18 RFID module, 16 x 2 LCD display, and 3 switch buttons: increment, decrement, exit. If you are going to show the card onto the RFID reader, so then it will ask for the items, which how many items you are going to add for same product. So you can use increment button or a decrement button or exit button. So you can add or subtract the button items. EM18 125 kHz frequency RFID receiver, and these are the RFID tags. So this is my block diagram. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using an power supply module, EM18 RFID reader module, Arduino Uno R3 board, 16 x 2 LCD display, and 3 switch buttons: increment, decrement, exit button. So here LCD it is connected with the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So increment, decrement, exit 5, 6, 7. RFID module it is connected with the RX0 and 5 volts VCC and ground. So positive, negative. Okay. So now I'm going to give the power supply. Smart Trolley using RFID. Show the item onto the reader. So item in trolley is 0, bill is 0. So now I'm going to show the card onto the reader. This is called Good Day. So Good Day biscuit packet 15. So if you're the items are there is you shown the card, but you need to increment the items 1, 2, 3. So Good Day biscuit packet cost is 15 rupees. You added 3 items, so otherwise delete. So only 2 items added, and the cost is 30 rupees. Yeah, items to cost is 30. So all the items, how many items you added, how many items bill. So you can see the data onto the hyper terminal also. Let's be connected with the hyper terminal. Okay, so our board is connected to hyper terminal. Okay, so let's go to our programming code, tool, monitor. So this is the monitoring unit. So now system is rebooted. Show the item onto the trolley. You can add Zigbee module also, Bluetooth module. You can see all the data in your phone also. So now I am giving the exit button. Okay, so names, item names: Lux, Dairy Milk, Rexona. There is no item 000. Bill is 000. So now I am going to add the item. So now first Good Day. So now I am adding 3 items. Good Day, 3 items. 1, 2, 3. So then exit. So 3 items added. Now I am going to add Rexona. Okay, 45 rupees. So I am going to add 5 items. Rexona 5 items. Okay, then exit. So this is a Dairy Milk cost is 30 rupees. I am adding 4 quantity. Okay, 4 quantity, total cost is 120 rupees. Okay, so now lastly Lux soap. Okay, then exit. So total cost is 440. Okay, so now items are, yeah, Lux 2 items 50 rupees, Dairy Milk 34 quantity 120, Rexona 45 rupees 5 quantity 225, Good Day 15 rupees 3 quantity 45 rupees. Total items are 14. Total cost is 440. So total items. So here 4 is gone. 440 is the final bill. So here also the final bill is 440. So now I am going to delete Rexona with quantity 2. Okay. So go to Rexona. Okay, Rexona. So Rexona, how many is there? 5. Okay, so how many is there? 5. Okay, so now I am delete with the 3 quantity. I am going to delete 4, 3, 2. I need only 2. Okay, then exit. So 305. Yeah, Rexona, I deleted 3, so only 2 is there, so cost is 305 and the cost is 305. So this is addition and subtraction of the items, number of items. Okay, so you can add more number of cards also. EM18 RFID module, power supply, Arduino Uno R3, increment, decrement, exit button, and 16x2 auto billing system. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. Okay, 4 RFID tags and RFID reader.